everyone, welcome back to Too Many Freaking Crafts. This is my son, Colin, and I'm your host, Ruth. Later we're going to be joined by my other son, Dylan. Last week we finished our patio green, red butler, and buddy blue pops that we made custom to go with the rainbow Brite pop that Funko actually makes.
If you haven't seen all those 6 videos, you better watch them before you do this.
Yeah, go back.
Like get out of this and watch all 6 of those.
Go see the first one. Go see episode 1. Okay, but so today, we're all done with those guys. They're chilling. Today we're going to be working on 4 things. We're going to be making Lala Orange. Jackie Onassis will become Lala Orange. Okay? Shy Violet. Woo. And then Starlight. And that's gonna be the water horse Nook from Frozen 2 is gonna turn into Starlight. Super awesome.
Everything is awesome.
Everything is awesome. Last week we made a little sprite for Buddy Blue. We're gonna paint him and finish him up, and then that will be our first custom sprite that we made. Look, just like Tweak we got from Funko. He's a little bigger, but that's okay. Sprites will be different sizes. So yeah, now we're gonna open up our boxes and start working on that.
I want to open them, please.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead, Dylan. Not Dylan, Colin. You're Colin, right? What's your name? What's your name?
Colin.
Colin, that's right. I know a lot of kids. I know their names, but my mouth doesn't always know their names. And it just, the wrong name pops out all the time. Okay, open the boxes. Unbox them. Woo!
Hey, this one comes with the background color.
It does. It's very pretty. And Shiny Violet, I am using the character Rise from Tokyo Ghoul. I don't know the show at all, but she has the right stance. Her hair is not quite out where she needs to be. I will have to kind of cut some of the stuff off because it's not the quite right shape. But she has the glasses, which makes her kind of perfect too. And I can totally make Shy Violet out of this. Easy peasy, Japanesey.
Whoa!
Look. Whoa. Gonna be Starlight. The most magnificent horse in the galaxy. Okay, so we'll start off. You can have your thing, your reference over there.
Oh, okay.
Dylan will open up Jackie Onassis when he comes to join us. So Colin is going to need a little bit of black, a whole lot of white. And he's going to have to do a couple different coats. Let's find you a good brush for your white. So things I've got to do for her, I'm going to actually have to take her hair off.
Oh
so it's kind of pencil down here and some extra hair that I don't need. And I'm going to sort of shave that off. So we're going to need my big X-Acto knife or my box cutter. So I'll be right back.
Well, she's done. You'll just be watching me paint.
We work to the rhythm of pismatism. It isn't like working at all. A steady beat to tap your feet. It's inspirational. Pismatism, the toe tapping rhythm. A rock chipping, chiseling, hammering rhythm.
Okay, so I'm going to be using my Milwaukee
So they were
Fastback.
just watching me for a little.
Yeah, I'm going to be using my Milwaukee Fastback box cutter to cut off the excess. Let's see, we need to get rid of all that hair on the bottom of the ponytail and move forward. Okay, so be very careful when you're using this kind of a tool. Remember kids, always have adult supervision when using sharp tools. A responsible adult, that is. Thank you. now we have a hole in our head. Hole in the head. That's okay. It's gonna get covered up.
Let me see it.
Boop. I took that part of her little piece of her hair off. Okay. Now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7 up,
If you look at her thing, she's got like a big bun and a ponytail on the top. So we're gonna take out this stuff now.
Rhythmatisms, a toe tapping rhythm, a rock chipping, chiseling, hammering rhythm, beautiful colorism, wheel of rhythmatism, making color before your eyes.
Holes. I'll show you. See? Pew! Pew, we cut her hair.
We're excavators, color makers, chiseling tisms into rhythmatisms, a toe tapping rhythm, a rock chipping, chiseling, hammering rhythm, beautiful colorism, wheel of rhythmatism, a most remarkable rhythm.
Okay, so this is all her hair I cut off.
Whoa,
See that?
look at it. Look at it.
Look at him. He turned into Starlight already. Okay, I'm gonna toss this aside.
Right now it looks like Starlight.
We don't need that no more. Okay.
Right now it doesn't look. It looks like snow and ice.
Yep, you're right. Alright, so now before I start sculpting stuff to change her into Shy Violet, we are going to paint what
I'm
we
gonna need to
have.
wait until this dries.
Yeah, you gotta wait till that dries. I'm gonna find a good purple to paint her dress. That'll be the big sleeves. Shy Violet has the big puffy sleeves, like most of the color kids do. We'll have to build those, but I'm still gonna see a good portion of this dress when we're done.
Colorism, wheel of rhythmatism, making color before your eyes.
I'm not finished, but I kind of need help.
Okay.
Ooh,
Oh,
cool.
looking good.
Yeah.
Looking good, Starlight.
I just haven't gotten.
Oh,
Have
whoa.
you guys gotten Lala Orange yet?
No, we're saving her for you. You gotta open
Oh,
her
okay.
and you do all that.
Thank you, thank you, thank
You
you.
let them know that you're
Dylan has to do all his homework before he can join us.
gonna. And some white over here. You can make some pink. Lucy, come paint.
Lucy,
Stop. Let me be the parent, okay?
Mommy,
Alright, Lucy, come here.
Tiny.
Lucy! Lucy Jane, brush for you. And I've got paint. Woo! Red and white makes pink.
out of the way.
There you go. Yep. Alright. Okay, let's get back to work. So, are we ready for another coat, you think? Okay, so we are going to be doing hair for her. We're going to be doing the top part of her glasses because Shy Violet has
Big
frames
nose.
all the way around.
Big nose.
We're going to be doing the big puffy shoulder pads, and we're going to be kind of making her skirt a little fuller. So we're going to come one thing. Lucy, it's okay, honey. Paint washes off. It doesn't wash off a rug so well, but no, we don't eat the paint. Swishy. Lucy, no eating paint, okay? This is for making pretty colors. It is not for eating.
We work to the rhythm of rhythmatism, it isn't like working at all.
So, yeah.
It's inspirational.
This is quiet, it's nice, and empty.
Colorism, wheel of rhythmatism, making
Okay,
color before your eyes.
okay.
Stars, sprinkles come in every shade, every size. We're excavators, color makers, chiseling tisms into rhythmatisms, a toe tapping rhythm, a rock chipping, chiseling, hammering rhythm, beautiful colorism, wheel of rhythmatism.
We're going to have to add the fun thing up here. So we're going to let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll kind of continue the pattern of the hair with our sculpting tools. So it will look like it was always that way. Okay,
I did do that.
I know. It looks good. You're going to need at least one more coat of the white to give it the right look.
Show you the guys.
Let it dry.
So Starlight is already coming together.
Mm-hmm.
And to make 80 shoulder pads, giant shoulder pads. Shy Violet's glasses.
Handheld. Here's Dylan. Closer up. You can see his paint. Here's Dylan. Closer up. You can see his painting the thing. Hi.
Alright.
Okay.
I think I've gone pretty good so far.
Okay, get one.
Oh, I got the back. I forgot I can use the back.
Yeah, just paint on both sides. Alright, and you get a good coat. You can let it sit and let it dry. We'll let it dry for a second and we'll talk about what we made, what we worked on, and then it'll be your thing will be dry enough to maybe do your hair. Okay?
Okay, I think I'm done.
Alright, okay. Let's find your
down.
plates to chill. Nope, don't.
A most remarkable rhythm. Our favoritism is rhythmatism. It's fun to rhythmatize. Everything is fine. Making music in the mind. A spicy symphony as we dig in harmony.
I like her bangs.
Me too.
Dylan is back to do her hair now.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so her hair is kind of like a reddish brown.
Her hair's already brown. We just need to put some reddish in the brown.
Yeah, maybe a little bit of the red and a little bit of the orange that you already made. That's too red.
Not looking so good.
What do you think?
I like it.
Alright. Okay.
So do I just paint from here?
Okay, you got to start doing her hair.
Sure, that's good.
We can always do another coat if we decide it's not quite right, or
scars.
it's okay. It's okay. I can wipe it off the face. It's all right. It's fine.
It looks like a humongous skull. It's skull I got from paint. What do you mean? It's paint. No, it's skull?
Hey, you don't want to go down back here.
No. It's yes, it is.
Anyways, while we're waiting, this is the little sprite we made for Buddy Blue. We didn't get around to painting it, but you can see we tried to make him as close to Twink as possible.
Yeah.
It's a little bigger, but that's fine. I'm sure all the sprites are different sizes anyways. And here's little bits and pieces of other sprites we're going to make later. And this is our Starlight. Our first couple coats of white to get him primed and started.
I still have some more for the first two coats.
Yeah, the one side looks a little better coated than the other side. And we gotta do a couple more.
The eyes are looking good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's still a little black showing.
Yeah, but so we're not done, but we got our first several coats of priming done.
So I decided that I'm not gonna make the eyes blue.
Yeah, we'll just go black.
And also, we're gonna, don't worry about the hair being white right now. I'm gonna change that to rainbow colored. Because the white is there to make it more primary.
So, yeah.
And less see-through.
Yep. All right. Well, that's good. Looking pretty good, Dylan. A good first coat. Nope. She can't stuck to the thing. I added stuff to her shoes so she would actually stand straight. I don't understand the point of having a pop that can't stand.
It's a strange habit.
Seems so. It's not a strange habit. It makes total sense.
I'm saying that because, I'm just saying that for fun.
Yep.
You still do the funny animations in the videos?
Yep. Decided that's part of the fun way. some of the
She has
Carrie
some scars.
blood on her face, but other than that,
Haley blood.
she's got a
Haley blood.
she's got the first
Haley
they
blood.
honey the first layers of her hair and her hat done, and we're on our way to turning her into Lala Orange.
It makes sense that I said Haley blood.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't say that. I said Carrie blood. It's in reference to a movie.
Right, Jot. Oh, okay, she goes.
All right. Okay. So she got her glasses on. She got the trim on her dress. She got the little poofy shoulder pads and a belt. And we sort of fixed the back of her hair where we cut it off.
Yeah, we cut off some of her hair.
Add a little bit more bangs.
She
And
looks a little old. Oh, that's what Starlight looks like.
well, she had more rounder glasses, but I couldn't find somebody the right look that also had the round glasses. But this is close enough, in my opinion. Big puffy bun on the back of her head, like Rainbow Brite's hair. Next time, probably, and we will do some more work on Lala and our Starlight. Yeah. So anyways.
Hey,
We need your head.
Hi everyone.
Hey everybody.
So that's it for this video. Yeah, we're gonna be leaving.
But we will see you.
Sadly. So we've gotten this far on our second set of Rainbow Bright Pops. After finishing the last ones, we've started these ones, and they're looking pretty good so far.
Mm-hmm.
We got Starlight here as the water knock.
Yeah.
Shy Violet, who was she?
Shy Violet. She was from Tokyo Ghoul. So
Oh yeah.
I have no idea.
And then we had Jackie Kennedy to turn into Lala Orange.
Mhm.
Orange. I got a few scars on her, but that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
So
thanks.
That's it for now.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on
Too many freaking crafts.
crafts.
See you later, alligators.
What?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.